That's how he's feeling. 9:30 in the morning, Saturday morning. That's how he's feeling. I love that shit. Oh, here we go. Come on with it there with the mirrors, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Well, let me know this. Oh, had a downshift on us. Okay, okay. Woo-hoo-hoo, okay. Yeah, man. Yup. First thing Saturday morning, guys, the water is dark blue. Clear skies, though. Let that shit blow over. XJ out here standing tall, man. That's it, guys. Got a couple more people in town today. But October 18th, 2013. Hopefully it'll fill up. Those are all my marks down there going crazy. Yeah, man.